Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make immune boosting juice. This juice is packed with immunity boosting ingredients that will help you to stay strong and healthy. Continue watching to find out how I make this wonderful juice. To make this juice, you will need pineapple, ginger, turmeric, orange, carrot, and lemon. As you can see, I've already washed and peeled the fruit. All the fruits. I'll be using carrot. Carrot contains vitamin C. It will help to boost our immune system against cold and flu. Ginger contains anti-inflammatory properties which will help to boost our immune system against cold and flu. You can add more ginger depending on how spicy you want the drink. I like to add orange because orange contains vitamin C. It will help to support and make our immune system to be strong. Turmeric is very important. It's a natural way to boost your immune system. It has a lot of benefits. I'll be using pineapple. Pineapple is so important too because it contains enzymes that will help to ease digestion and boost our immune system. Lemon is very important for this juice because it contains vitamin C and it will help to prevent bacterial growth and infection. If you don't have a juicer, feel free to use your blender to blend, then you can sieve. See how colorful the juice is. It is so refreshing and tastes so nice. The juice contains wonderful nutrients that will help our body to fight cold and flu. This is a natural way to boost our immune system. Thank you all for watching.